Welcome to Ham and Jam TV show, and it is so boring. Angel, can you help us? Sure, I can. So I have a little fidget spinner thing, and I'm going to make it magical. So yeah. So we're going to another place. So 1, 2, 3, hamster. So here we are. So let's say oh my gosh, it does not work. So I'm just gonna say, I want to Ella hair goals. 1, 2, 3, hamster. Whoa, we got our Ella hair goals. So yeah, hello, it's me, Angel, and I'm just surprised by this. And it says 50 surprises. And you guys, this is very brand new. It has real hair, and it is the makeover series. So I'm very excited, and it says style me. So let's open it. We got a pink ball. I thought it was going to be a gold, but it wasn't. But I don't care. Oh, it says color me fabulous. Okay, I'll call you fabulous. This one is kind of weird. This is very weird. No. Okay. Okay, I'm done with this. Can that happen? Oh my gosh, the top fell out. Maybe I'll have to put it back. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, here it is. So I think this is Messy Bunny. Wait, no. This is Messy Bun. So we have some cute stickers that I'm going to save for later. And wait for a second, you guys. 1, 2, 3, hamster. You guys, I have this. And I'm going to put some blind bags that I don't want to open right now. I'm just going to open this blind. I just wonder what it is inside. A hairspray. How can we open it? Oh no. How? This is hard. Okay, I think we have to press down. No. Maybe I can open it from the top. Yes! Oh well. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this cute little blender. Look! We have a pool brand new. Wow. I wish you could just show Bunny. That's what I want. Or it will be witchy, baby. It feels something. I wish it was Snow Bunny. Oh. I don't get it. It is fuzzy. It feels fuzzy. I don't think it's fuzzy or something. I don't get it. So that point I go in. Is this the clothes? I don't think so. I'm just going to save it for later when we have no balls. Whoa, very cute. This sure matches. I think I'm going to save this one because I really like to save a lot of stuff. Because we want to be something fun. We want something fun. How can I open? That was hard. Tape. No, so cute, you guys. So I'm just going to close it back up. This one is very cool. It got more color. And these are kind of hard now. Oh, let's open this one. I hope a brand new stuff is here. Huh. I wonder what is inside. Oh, whoa, a hair comb. I wonder if Ham and Jam are making that sound. Or poo-poo soup. So you guys, I'm very excited for the doll. And you guys, if you think it's Snow Bunny, leave in the comments. Okay, let's see how. Whoa! We got Snow Bunny! Wow. Very, very cool. And cute too. And look at her real hair. Oh look, she tied her hair up. And look, she is the fanciest. BFF for LOLs. You guys, if you want LOL, I found it at Target. You might find it at wait, Target. No, I said it's Walmart. And if you want to find one, maybe you can find one in Walmart. But you might see in Target too. Whoa. This really broke. You can still reuse it. Most people break it sometimes. I thought I'm going to break it too, so I'm gonna zip it. And now it's time to dress up. So you guys, a brand new LOL is very good. Because it is fun to have us, the LOLs team. I mean, not the LOLs, LOL team. It's fun to have the LOL team because you get to open. And that's the coolest of all. Ooh. Hairspray. Oh. The things are good. And you guys, if you thought this was Snow Bunny, say, I knew it was Snow Bunny. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Oh yeah, I forgot to dress up for you guys. I'm sorry. It feels fuzzy. I don't think it's fuzzy or something. So guys, it's time to dress up her. And the clothes is kind of fuzzy too. I love bunnies. Well, it looks like. I think it's this way. It's correct, Angel. I'm gonna pull off your head out. If you do, it's just fine. Okay, you guys, I have to say hamster. 1, 2, 3, hamster. So here she is, and she'll need her head. And oh wow, what's wrong with this little girl? Her hairbands does not fit. So funny. I'm going to brush your hair, you guys. Now it's stuck. Your hair is messy. Maybe I can comb your hair now. Very nice hair. To you guys. And you guys, it's the last time that I'm going to tell you. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you thought it was me, Snow Bunny, it's Snow Bunny, then say, I knew it was Snow Bunny. Or, I did not know it was going to be Snow Bunny. Don't forget, Christmas is coming. It's December 7th. And don't forget to lie to your friends. Stay nice and stay friendly. Yeah, I'm very sleepy. I don't know. Well, you guys, next time, don't forget to watch Ranger TV show. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.